you curious about the Croatian beaches? Visit them to feel the difference. When it comes to spending holidays in Croatia, beaches are the first thing that hit the mind. Adriatic beaches have a lot to offer for a perfect holiday destination. A combination of seaside with greenery and mountains is found to give the best vacation feel. With a diverse selection of wonderful beaches ranging from family beaches to relax with kids and plenty of entertaining activities to beaches hosting summer parties, you will have too much to enjoy. Having a countless list of beautiful beaches with crystal clear water and awesome scenery, the best of the Adriatic beaches are described below. Golden Horn Beach, the Zlatni Rat. Known as the Golden Horn, this spectacular beach measures about 580 yards. This is Croatia's most famous beach located in the Brac Islands. Unlike other beaches, this has a unique triangular spit shape. Blue and crystalline water of the sea makes it a must-visit place. The specialty of the beach lies in its unique character of changing shapes with seasonal tides. Restaurants, cafes, and water sports are few of these islands' attractions. Packed to the brim with sunbathers and tourists from all across the globe, the fun at this place is never ending. This beach is open for surfers and water sport lovers. You can also have the opportunity of international water races that are organized here. Not just a famous tourist place due to the entertaining activities, the Zlatni Rat also makes a difference due to the cultural celebrations around. Adorned with a natural cover of green forests with pine oak and other trees, it gives an additional reason to scenic beauty lovers to enjoy the place. Wonderful nightlife, jet skiing, rubber ring riding, windsurfing, air skiing and cool bars to hang out is all what you will get there. Rush on to enjoy to the fullest. Hag Island, the Zrce Beach. If you are looking for a beach party, Zrce Beach is a perfect destination to choose. Located in the island Pag, northeastern zone, this island is near to the Novalgia town. Tourism is a well-developed industry of this town. Surrounded by woods, this beautiful water body has parking lots right next to the beach area. This island has a never-ending stretch of about 270 kilometers full of natural beauty. While on the beach, you need not worry about your health as facilities like lifeguards, first aid, and convenience for the old and disabled, life-saving equipments, rental facilities, phones, drinking water, shower etc. are easily available. This beach is popular amongst party lovers. The Croatian government has licensed nightclubs to operate 24/7. Aquarius, Papaya, and Calypso are the popular beach clubs which operate round the clock in summers, offering too much to enjoy. With these, your fun platter is adorned with jacuzzi, foam parties, cocktails, aerobics, concerts, water slides, sand volleys, the list is long. This long-stretched beach is one of its kinds with wonderful natural cover, clean sea water and pebbles around. You can spend the best of your times on this excellent beach watching its natural beauty and feeling the purity of the place. It is an ideal combination of serenity along with entertainment. Zrce Beach, Dubrovnik. Known as the Pearl of the Adriatic, this amazing beach is well located, providing a spectacular view to the famous old Dubrovnik town. This place is not too sandy like the beaches of the peninsula. This beach is full of historical places too. With a crowd of affluent people from around the world visiting this prominent place to enjoy the suntan, you can feel the real fun of summers on this beach. You will find the beach full of its own style eating corners, restaurants, and bars. This location is a great delight with the ambience you get here with wide, low benches, sun umbrellas and numerous water spots. Not just that, the historic environment coupled with the modish facilities add to the specialty of this beach. You can have fun while indulging in activities like banana drive, jet skiing, speed boating and much more. Whether you wish to have a partying time frolicking around on your heels or desire a luxurious stay lying on comfy furniture, it's all there for you. This place is secure and beautiful for having a wonderful experience of your lifetime. The Old Ninska Laguna Beach. Nin is a shallow water area far away from the fast and busy life of the city. It has got no industrial area and has very less traffic. With a lot of beaches in this old city, Ninska Laguna Beach is one of the most popular. This is a favorite tourist spot as well as an attractive point for the locals. The entire area of the sandy beach is festooned with the magnificent mountain view. With shallow warm waters, you would find higher salinity here. Widely known as the Queen's Beach too, this place has scored the topmost rank amongst the best sandy beaches. The calm atmosphere and pleasant environment away from traffic makes it an ideal place for camping too. This beach has lots of cafe bars, restaurants, and other similar places to hang around for fun. It is one of the best places for the families who would love to spend their time together. It is God-gifted with the medicinal mud, i.e. the peloid and the limon, which is used in the treatment of many diseases like women infertility and skin diseases. Paradise on Earth, Lopar Beach. A long sandy beach regarded as the Paradise Beach is the Lopar, one of the finest gifts of the Adriatic. This beach also offers shallow and warm waters with great crowd around. This sandy area is gifted with crystal clear water surrounded with pine trees. It is a finest place for all beach lovers. Due to shallow waters, it becomes a safe place for elderly people, children, and people who do not know swimming. The deep sea is about 500 meters far from the coast. This beach has a lot of tourists coming for water sports, golf, volleyball, and many other sports. Visit the beaches in the Adriatic style by coming to this wonderful land with naturally blessed and untouched environment. Limited population and breathtaking scenic beauties of these islands will make you fall in love with this place.